Aloha! Thank you for tuning in into the Organic Hawaii YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about benefits of Epsom salt for your plants. It's a natural fertilizer. It's mineral based. It's basically a combination of magnesium, which is essential not only for plants but for human beings, and sulfur. So it's magnesium, sulfur, about 9% magnesium, about 12-13% sulfur. Plants need magnesium and so do humans, and plants also need some sulfur as well, and so do humans. So this is all natural, and I'll leave some links in the description so you can check that out. And the way to do it, there's 3 methods. One method is to use a spray bottle or pressure sprayer like this one. I like the pressure sprayer because I have a small medium-sized garden, but if you have house plants, it's better to use like a bottle with a sprayer because it's small, doesn't take up much space. Regardless of the method, you're going to need 1 tablespoon. This is what it looks like. It's completely safe to touch. Also, people use Epsom salt as bath salt as well as foot soak. So you're going to start with 1 tablespoon per gallon of water. Okay, so I'm going to add this into the sprayer. One tablespoon, and we're going to add water. By the way, this is a water filter for the garden hose. It's really good because it filters out bad kind of chemicals like chlorine and heavy metals for the most part, and those things are not good for your plants. They're not good for your soil microbiome. Also, it prevents mineral deposits on your leafy greens. All water, all public water is treated with chlorine as a disinfecting agent, but it's basically toxic to humans and it's not good for plants either. So this is highly recommended, and you can use Epsom salt as a foliar spray, meaning covering the tops of the leaves, and plants will absorb it through the leaves, or you can use it to water the soil underneath. You can also put it in a watering bucket, just mix it and then water underneath the plant. And the third method is you can actually sprinkle it around the plant, on top of the soil beneath the plant, and water that, and it will absorb it like that. So there's 3 methods. You can check out the article on organichawaii.org that goes into detail. Pump this up. Alright, and now we're going to spray our plants. Make sure that the spray function is activated on the nozzle of the sprayer. That way it disperses very nicely. And we're doing the method number 1, which is foliar spray, spraying the leaves. Nightshades like tomatoes and peppers and eggplants benefit from this especially. And what are some signs of magnesium deficiency? Some signs of magnesium deficiency is yellowing of the leaves, although yellowing of the leaves could also be a iron deficiency as well as a potassium deficiency. So basically magnesium is good for greening up the plants because magnesium helps plants make chlorophyll, which is what makes the plants turn green. Eggplants. Going to spray the seedlings too. Thanks for watching. Until next time, check us out at organichawaii.org. Aloha and mahalo.